All right. So I'm just trying to set things up here. All right. I think that's most of the setup that I need to do right now for this. I'll basically see.
I think that's most of the setup that
Everyone
I need
should
to
be
do
able
right now
to
for this.
see everything without any issues. I don't think there
basically,
should be any. All right, so I guess I only have one person on live or two. All right. Well, working with whatever right now. All right, expert option trading. So I've already deposited some funds in this trading app. $20 deposited successfully. I guess what I'll try to do right now is to find the best market to start off or to begin with. I did pull up some information with ChatGPT AI, so I'll just go with the best recommendation that is currently available. All right, so for this now, it's telling us the most stable one for beginners. I guess I might as well start off with that. Go with the commodity for gold. I think that's Australian versus US. All right, let's see something here. All right, what we're trading in. Commodities. Right. So right now this is a demo account. I can switch over to the real one at any time, but let's go ahead and just use the demo for now to basically like get a feel for how the market is right now. I'll also just I have a few things already set up already. I have my candles, so on and so forth. Graph style is okay. Know that we also have the social feature that also shows you how others are trading or so on and so forth. I'm not sure how accurate it is, or if you should be using it any at all. It can be quite distracting, and it also might not really be live or accurate. I would have to see or compare it with some other ones to see how it reads our trends. All right. Let's see. Let's set the closeout time. This is like 30 seconds or so on and so forth. We need some more time if we're using this. Let's say 2 minute 30, or maybe that's a little too long, but yeah, let's go with 2 minute 30. This is just a demo account, but we'll go ahead with that for now. 2 minute 30. Investment or trading amount, set that to $10. Again, this is a demo account right now. I'll switch over to like the live thing in just a moment. I'll just go ahead and just test out how everything works, and then I'll switch over to like the live side with real stakes. Yeah, confirm. All right. Looking at the trend for this, it seems that we're in an upward trend for this. So I'll go ahead and let's do a sell right here because it seems like it's at a higher high right now. See if that works out. So we'll put $10 in the market. It's on a upward trend. Let's see if it holds that. Basically, we use the demo to like see how the market is trending and so on and so forth. Catch your practice, catch a feel for it before you actually jump in. It can be quite useful to do that before you really say use any pharma commodity that you're putting on this. All right, so while the time closes or counts down, can just go ahead and just keep up with it and just keep watch. Judge. Alright, so we're almost at the closing point. We're still holding. Apparently it only dipped one time on a low trend, but apparently this is holding on a higher. All right, so that closed out a second ago. Let me take a look at what happened there. So I'll treat the engine. It okay. All right, so I'm just checking everything to just make sure that everything's set, everything's good to go, because again, we can't afford anything going wrong while doing this live. I think I had some internet drops a few seconds ago and so forth. So yeah. Oops. All right. Let's change this now. It's $5. Use a smaller time frame, 30 seconds. And then let's go for a buy here and see how it goes. All right, I think that might be the strat here. All right, so we used the amount $5. We got a $3 profit. It closed out 30 seconds. Profitability is 79%. All right. All right, so it seems that we're going to have to go that way. If we're going like the live account, we just do like smaller amounts for like smaller time frames. The market is in an upward trend. We just need to just follow it along. All right, so as you see, it has its low points. You just need to just monitor for that, and then see how it goes from there. All right, so with that quick little experiment, we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the live account. So there are real stakes at hand now. Drop this amount to $1 per trade. Keep the 30 seconds, and then we're at a lower point here. All right, let's buy and see. Guess we're in a loss. Yeah, definitely in a loss with this one. All right, not a problem. It closed out. Big boost. Not sure what that is, but all right. We'll activate it now. I guess it's giving us perks per trade, something along the line. All right, so that wasn't profitable a while ago. All right, still in an upward trend. It's that it's just at its lowest point right now, it seems. All right, it might be safe to do a buy-in right here. Yeah, there we go. 30 seconds. Alright, it doesn't have any time to close out. Bad from here, so we're in profit for this one. Not going to be all that much, but it should give us, let's see, $0.82. Basically, didn't really make all that much off of this one. Profitability is 82% though. All right, so if we hold like at this steady pace, like oh we're just starting out with this, then we can repeat the same tactics here to make a profit. So again, it was at its lowest point here. See, we're going at a higher high right now again. So what I need to do is to basically monitor it, because I don't want to like buy in or do a trade for a buy when it's like at its high, its most peakest point, or so on and so forth, because then you'd have to follow up with the trend, if you're understanding what I'm saying. So still in our upward trend. We're still at a 30-second time frame or window here. I'm not sure what this gap right here is, but seems like it's going to a lower point over here. So we're having a next drop off point, just like what it did earlier over here and over here. So I guess what we can do is to buy in right here and see if it picks up. So that's $1 again. All right, it doesn't have any more time to basically close out. Bad for us, so that's a next profit again. All right, so the profit again that we made right there, 82 cents for $1. So 82 cents is a profit. Profitability is 82% for this. Rate is good, still on a high trend here. So basically now we're back in profit. We originally had $20 flat. Now we have $20.64. All right, hold on just a second. Pull back out on the market. What I'll have to probably do, so I don't have to like be scrolling out every minute to like look at the trend and so on and so forth, is to see if I can like use something like Trading View to like better get a overall view of the market, or something that can provide me with like live and historical data on the market trend. But from the current information that I'm seeing here for it as well, it doesn't seem like this is like an unstable commodity to trade in right now. It's very stable and it's on an upward path. You just need to just follow along and just watch it. All right. That was a brief intervention. Had to basically check some stuff there. Unfortunately, well, I have multiple screens using it. One of them is also like my phone to like get some more information on some stuff. So it does give you advantage when you have like more devices that you can use while you're also trading and so on and so forth to like pull up information, check facts and so on and so forth. All right, so we're still in profit now. I did leave this to basically do its thing, so I have two trades right here. As you see, they both closed out in profits. Actually 3-1 over here as well. So I'll go ahead and see if we can get into another one right now. Right now it looks like it's on a downward trend. So we'll just buy right here, 30-second buy-in, and let's see how it goes. All right, so we're closing out in profit for this one as well. All right. As usual, 82 cents a profit, $1 trading amount going in, profitability 82%, upward trend. So what basically got us the profit. If you really look at the information that's being traded over here, close out time, the rates, and so on and so forth, it lets you know all the information and the commodity. All right, so we went into profit again. So now originally we started off with $20. Now we're at $21.46. So we only basically have made like $1.46 profit to our $20 originally trade deposited. So I'll go ahead and continue doing this. Wasn't going to really just keep this along as a long stream because this is one of the first that I've done. So I'll continue doing this. Probably later on today I might start another stream again to show you where I'm at, and depending on how that goes, I'll also show you like the trends and so on and so forth. I'll make a video on that as well and post it on both TikTok and YouTube. But thank you again if you're still here and if you joined for the live stream. I was expecting persons to like join, probably ask some questions and so on and so forth, and I would also pass over some of my knowledge and also explain on how they can get started and what platforms they can use or where they can source information from. But all right,